Welcome to my kitchen! By the way, my fridge is not blue at the bottom. There's this plastic protector over it that I don't know why the heck maintenance did not take that off. I have to figure out how I'm going to get that off myself, but we gonna do that later. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning and organizing, finding a home for everything, as well as moving some new things in. I've been in this apartment for 2 weeks, but I've only been living in it and getting settled for like a week and a half. I did do a mini trip to Arizona and I just got back. And the kitchen is something that I've been wanting to tackle, and yesterday I finally was able to go to Ikea and Dollar Tree and get the things that I need to properly organize and stock some of my shelves. If you did not see my Ikea and Dollar Tree haul, you can check that out by going in the description box or the comments, and I'll have that linked for you. But yeah, I just wanted to verbally say hey to you guys before we get into this video, because this video is going to be B-roll with some voiceover and some music, just because I want to get this done in like an hour and a half, and I have my closet that I want to get done. Basically, I want to be fully moved in and organized today. There is some DIY, some spray painting I need to get done too. So we're gonna get all of that done today. And right now it is 11:30 and I'm gonna start talking, and we're just going to get into it. not film an outro, so I was like, let me hop on my phone really quick and say bye. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested to know where I purchase things like my organizational pieces, my dishes, my trash can, I posted a haul video along with this video, and you can find that link down below in the description box as well as in my pinned comment. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much, and I'll talk to you guys later and see you in my next apartment video. Bye.